aside from paying from the web page, this recruitment is free. But of course, if you do company website, then it depends quite a bit on the branding of the company. If the company is Procter and Gamble, HSBC, easy to attract people. This is an unusual one. I saw this when I was, I happened to do a job in Phnom Penh. And they were advertising, this is a new bar, so they were advertising. Okay, so it's just a banner outside the bar, and then you just look, and then you're interested, you can apply. So bar manager, negotiable, night manager, cashiers 200, host 150, bar staff 150. These are US dollars. Okay, so yeah. So there's no way to do it. Okay, which brings us nicely to our first assessment for this program. So this one, very simple, it's a group exercise, so you do it as a group.